welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be talking to you about some of the very exciting orders that have come on the Amazon Prime Day sale. The Amazon Prime Day sale is running on the 6th and 7th of August and they are giving some unbelievable offers, and there are also many new launches. So the first and foremost offer that they have is the HDFC card cashback. They are giving a 10% instant discount if you have any HDFC card, and that is applied on the total card value. I will be referring to my notes below because there are so many offers and I really don't want to miss out on any of them. There will be some new phone launches in the Amazon Prime sale, and one of them is the OnePlus Nord. Now this has been highly awaited. It is a lower priced budget friendly option for the OnePlus 8T. The next phone release is the Samsung Galaxy M31s. And we also have the Redmi 9 Prime. Now all these phones have just launched on Amazon Prime and they're giving great discounts, offers and no cost EMI offers as well. In this video I will be mainly covering electronics products from product categories like earphones, earbuds, Kindles and Amazon Echo Dots. So if you want to know more about the fashion and beauty sale that is going on, please subscribe and hit on the notification button because that video is going to come up very soon. The first product category I want to talk to you about is a wired earphone. It's the JBL C100S1 and it is having an amazing offer. It is coming on 54% discount. It is noise cancelling, has good bass, and it also comes in a few color options. So JBL makes excellent earphones. They have very good sound quality and music quality, and their audio is very crisp and clear, and at this price point it makes it a very good purchase. So if you're looking for a wired earphone, you should close your eyes and simply go ahead with a JBL earphone. The next product category I will be talking about is earbuds. Ever since Apple came out with their AirPods, in-ear Bluetooth earphones have been a rage. Now we have some new launches on Amazon Prime Day sale where you can buy them at a great price point. The first one I want to talk about is a budget-friendly option. It is the Boats AirDopes and they are currently at 78% off. This is a new launch from the Amazon and they come in a few different colors like midnight blue, black, and they also have 14 hours continuous playback. This is the most budget-friendly earbuds option that there is, unless you want to go with something even cheaper, but then that is going to reduce the sound quality drastically. Boat has mediocre and average sound quality, so at this price point this is a very good option. Next up I want to talk about a earbud that is a little bit pricier. It is the Redmi Earbuds S. I have been using this product for a couple of weeks now and I am absolutely in love with it. It comes in a very compact packaging. The charging case can charge the earphones up to 2 to 3 days, and I use it on an average about 4 or 5 hours a day. And it has gesture control, it has an intelligent gesture control, so it can pause and play the music that you are playing, and it is also sweat proof, so it's very good for running and workouts. So if you're looking for another budget friendly earbuds option, please do check out the Redmi Earbuds S. They're also running a good offer and it's coming at a more discounted price than you usually get it for. In fact, I had to pay a little bit more to get this when I got this a couple of weeks back. The next option for earbuds that I have is slightly pricier. So it is the JBL in-head earphones and it is currently selling at 55% off. And JBL, as you know, as I've already mentioned before, has excellent sound quality, and this comes with quick charging case, and also it has 17 hours of continuous playtime. So if you're looking for a slightly higher budget earbud, you can consider this along with the next one that I'm going to talk about. That is also another new launch for Amazon Prime Day sale. It is the Oppo Enco wireless earbuds and it is currently at 42% off. This has the highest rating for all earbuds that I've seen on Amazon. This has a 4-star rating. It has dual microphone noise cancellation for better call quality. It has IP54 dust and sweat resistance, so it is excellent for working out and for running and if you're going to splash it with water, but I don't think that this is water resistant, so please don't go for a swim with it. It has automatic play and pause and other intelligent gestures, so tapping will also give you automatic play and pause, and you can take calls by simply tapping on the earbud. And it comes with extra earbuds, a charging case, and most importantly it also comes with a charging wire. The Redmi that I own or even the Boat AirDopes that I spoke about, they do not come with a charging wire. This comes with a USB charging cable. Up next, I want to speak about another exciting product, that is the Amazon Echo Dot. Amazon Echo Dot is a little speaker that gives you the gateway into the world of smart homes and a personal assistant like Jarvis. Now, what is an Amazon Echo Dot? Let me show you. This is the 2017 model that I have. They have upgraded it a lot with the new 2019 model, and now the speaker is much better. In fact, Amazon markets it as the best selling speaker in the world. So it connects to your phone with the Bluetooth. And what will you use this for? This can give you any information that is already available on the internet. News, traffic situation, weather, sports trivia, headlines, stock prices. If Google knows it, Alexa can tell it to you, and the response is almost instantaneous. You ask it a question and it will immediately reply. The next thing you can do is connect with it to your smart devices at home. If you have a smart light, you can just say, Alexa, switch off the light, and you don't have to say please. You can sit on your couch and switch off the light. Now, there are some things you need to know about the Amazon Echo. So to use it, you will need Wi-Fi at all times. If you don't have Wi-Fi, this is like an over expensive Bluetooth speaker. Also, you will need to be downloading an app into your phone to use it. Alexa app connects to the Amazon Echo Dot and gives you that Alexa experience, and you also will be connecting your phone with the Amazon Echo Dot via Bluetooth. So if you are looking to buy this for sound quality and good speaker effects, then this is not the product for you. Think again, because this has a mediocre speaker. This is not known for its speaker purpose. It is more for this personal assistant like purpose that it has, and it also is useful if you want to set alarms. You can also take calls on this, so you can simply say call this person from my phone list, and it is going to place that call provided it's connected to your phone. If you're looking for a good quality Bluetooth speaker with excellent sound quality, then I have the perfect option for you. I have found another JBL option, which is the JBL Go 2 Plus, and now it is coming at an excellent discounted rate. It is already a budget friendly speaker, so now due to the Amazon Prime Day sale, it is also having some more excellent offers. So now it is coming less than 2,500 Indian rupees, so it is definitely a steal. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker. It connects to the Bluetooth very quickly, and it has a microphone as well. And JBL, as I've already mentioned, has excellent sound quality. So if you're looking for an affordable Bluetooth speaker option, then definitely do give this a look. Up next, I have a slightly higher budget Bluetooth speaker option, and that is the Marshall Kilburn 2, and it is currently at 35% off. This has discount only on the black color. You do not get it on the white or the grey colors, which are, I believe, the more popular colors for Marshall speaker. And it also has another offer attached with it. It has the ACO 1-year extended warranty for audio products at a very low cost. I highly recommend you check out Marshall speakers. Marshall speakers have excellent sound quality. Their audio is crisp and they have excellent bass, and it is a very good speaker experience, and they have a different look, retro radio vibe that is going on, which is very popular. I have a new launch to share with you. It is the Boat Power Bank, which is exclusively available at 40% discount, which comes to less than 800 INR in the Prime Day sale. So it has 10,000 mAh charging capacity, it has rapid charging facilities, it has various input types like micro USB and Type C, so a lot of different devices can be charged using this, and it also comes in a few different color options like bright red, black, midnight blue. So you will definitely find a color that you are looking for, and it's also a very budget friendly option with a very large charging capacity. So 10,000 mAh will allow you to charge your phones a couple of times at least. So I highly recommend you look at this if you're looking for a power bank. Since I've already spoken to you about the Amazon Echo Dot, then it also becomes necessary to speak to you about some smart lights that you can connect with it and control and make your own smart home. So I have the Wipro LED smart bulb. It comes at 71% off right now. So it is Wi-Fi enabled bulb that will allow you to connect with the Alexa environment. It works with Alexa as well as Google Assistant, and it is color changing. So it has a few different color changing options. So you can simply ask Alexa to change the color, and it is going to change the color and set the mood. This is a very good option because smart lights are usually much more expensive than what you are getting it for right now. So if you're looking to invest in smart bulbs and start your journey towards a smart home, then now is the right time to invest in it. The next product I have is also a Wipro product. It is the Wipro Garnet table lamp. In fact, it is the best selling table lamp on Amazon. It usually comes at a great price point. It is very budget friendly, but due to the Prime Day sale, they are giving an even more discount. So it is an LED lamp and it has color changing features. It has 3 colors that you can change to. It has the cool daylight, the white neutral and warm white. This is trying to simulate the natural light surrounding your environment. So depending on your environment, you can change the color of this LED light table lamp as per your requirement to give you that natural light effect. This is a best selling product, and if you are looking for a table lamp, especially right now because everyone is working from home, you probably already have set up a study area and you want to enhance it a little bit more with a table lamp. A table lamp is always a good option to have for late night readings and low light study environments. Speaking of study area and reading and lockdown, I have the perfect device to allow you to pass time fruitfully during the lockdown, and that is the Kindle device. Amazon Kindle is a one-of-a-kind device. They have made their first ebook reader. In fact, I want to show you the one that I have. This is the Amazon Kindle from the 2017 edition. Back then, it did not have backlight. Now, even the cheapest Kindle is having the backlight. The cheapest Kindle is the Kindle 10th generation, which is coming at 19% discount. It has a 6-inch display, which is the same as this, and it has a built-in backlight. So in this one, I cannot read in the dark. I always need to depend on an external light source, but nowadays all the Kindle devices there are have a built-in backlight, so you can read in any sort of environment. And the Kindle 10th generation is the cheapest Kindle. That if you want something a little bit more, then you can buy the Kindle Paperwhite. That has a built-in light. It is also waterproof. The 10th generation Kindle is not waterproof, and it has 32 GB storage space and Wi-Fi. And the top model of Kindle is the Kindle Oasis, which is also coming at a 16% discount. It has a 7-inch display and it has an adjustable warm backlight. So it is easier on the eyes than the stark LED backlight that you usually get. Now, Kindle is a device that everyone needs, whether you travel a lot, whether you read a lot of books, or whether you're just developing a habit of reading. Kindle allows you to store some audiobooks as well, but the capacity for storing audiobooks is very limited, especially in the cheapest Kindle, which is the Kindle 10th generation. But I highly suggest you invest in it. It is a very portable device, and if you're a student, you do not have space to store tons of books, then this is the perfect alternative for you. Everybody needs a Kindle. The next product I want to share with you is a fitness band. Now, fitness bands are quite the rage. Every other company is making a fitness band. But if you really want to invest in good quality fitness band, I would definitely suggest the Fitbit Versa 2, which is having a 7% discount right now. It comes in a few different color variations like black or carbon, stone or grey. It has inbuilt Alexa in the Fitbit Versa 2 edition. It has sleep tracking and swim tracking. It has heart rate monitor. In today's world where everyone is so health conscious, it is very essential to have a fitness band that tracks your movement, that tracks the number of steps that you have taken. It also tracks your calorie counts if you can download the correct apps, and it also gives you access to music when you're running or working out. So it is a great option to have. I believe the Fitbit Versa is the best fitness band that is available in the market right now, and in Amazon Prime Day sale, it is coming at a great offer and probably also a no-cost EMI option. I will be linking all the products I've mentioned in the description box below so that you can browse and take your pick. The offers may keep changing from time to time because Amazon is very dynamic in that manner. So to find the latest offer on any product that I've spoken about, please click on the link in the description box. It will directly take you to the Amazon page and it will update you with the latest offer. The next product category I have to talk about is like a travel camera. It is the very popular GoPro Hero 8, which is coming at a 12% discount in the Amazon Prime Day sale. Usually they do not give a lot of discounts on the GoPro. Now it is coming cheaper than usual. Well, it's not a cheap option, it is definitely an expensive option, but for a camera it is a pretty good affordable option. So if you're looking for a vlogging camera or you travel a lot and you take a lot of videos, then you should definitely check out the offers that they have on the GoPro. They also have a few offers such like they're giving you a combination kit where they give you some memory cards and a camera holder. So you can also check out those combination kits if you are interested in purchasing a GoPro. The next product I have to talk about that I was a little hesitant in putting on the list, but I think it is a life-changing product. It will make your life so much easier, and not a lot of people will agree with me on this because of the price point, but I had to talk about the Dyson V7 Animal Vacuum Cleaner. Now, why am I so vocal about praising Dyson? I've been using Dyson continuously for 1 year now, and it has made my cleaning time so much less, and it has made cleaning so much easier. So it is not true that Dyson does not work for Indian homes. It really does. The suction power is very high, so it like sucks even the minutest of dust particles and dirt particles. So it is a cord-free vacuum cleaner. For those of you who do not know and want to do more research, I suggest you visit the Dyson.com. They have very short, informative videos that is going to take you through step by step what is the Dyson vacuum cleaner, how it works, why you should be purchasing it. But I only can tell you that it has been making my life so much easier ever since I purchased it. It has 30 minutes of battery life. It has various different attachments for various different purposes, and I highly recommend the Dyson product. Please check out the link below. Even Amazon has some helpful videos. If you're interested or if you're just curious as to what the product is, then I highly recommend you do your research and buy one if you can. It is slightly expensive, but it is definitely worth the investment. I do not have words to say how helpful this product was or how it is going to change your life for the better. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any products that you want to buy, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Until the next video, bye.